Boy
Custer the dragon.
had big shark teeth.
And
Big shark.
what's the rest of it?
That's over.
It's okay. Let's say the poem. I'll turn it back on after.
Yeah.
Custer the dragon had what?
Big shark teeth.
And Abby? Abby? Can you say custard poem for me? Remember you said the custard poem last night?
Oh.
Custer the dragon had... Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Abigail. Custer the dragon had what?
Big shark teeth.
And?
Big underneath.
Scales on his back and spikes underneath. And...
Yeah.
Can you do the rest of the poem?
Yeah.
Go ahead, do it.
Go. Yeah. Go. Go.
Can you do the rest of the poem?
Four.
Custer the dragon
Custer the dragon
had what?
Jed.
Abigail. Custer the dragon had...
Big shark teeth.
And...
Right underneath.
And... Scales on his back and spikes underneath.
Right underneath.
Yeah. And... You're not going to say it? Abby? Can you do the poem?
Yeah.
Do it. No, no, no. You have to sit back there. You have to sit back there. Custer the dragon.
Custer.
The dragon is eating you. You have to say the poem. Custer the dragon had...
Big shark teeth.
And...
Right underneath.
Scales on his back and spikes underneath. And... What else? Is he a truly little pet dragon?
Pet dragon.
Yeah.
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 No, nothing back here.
Yeah.
Nothing, because you're not in it. Can you say the Custer the dragon poem?
Custer the dragon
Had
big shark teeth.
and
Right underneath.
oh baby.